I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a rational expression with complex fractions. Let us see how to simplify such rational expressions. So the question given to us is 3 minus 2 over x squared minus 4 divided by 5 plus 7 over 2 minus x. So let's rewrite the numerator after factoring, right? So we get 3 minus 2 over x squared minus 4 can be written as x plus 2 times x minus 2. Now here in the denominator it's already factored, so it is 7 over 2 minus x. We are getting a factor x minus 2. Let me write this as minus of x minus 2. That will help us later. Okay. Now at this stage we can take a common denominator and rewrite our rational function. So we have common denominator of x plus 2 times x minus 2 in the numerator part. Now this 3 should get multiplied by x plus 2 times x minus 2, which is indeed x squared minus 4. It's not a bad idea to write x squared minus 4 since we need to expand, and we'll get the same result, minus 2. That's the numerator part, and then we have everything over. So we'll multiply 5 by minus of x minus 2. So we can write this as minus 5 times x minus 2 plus 7 divided by minus x minus 2. Correct? Now this division of two rational expressions could be written as, so I'll expand the numerator, which is 3x squared minus 12 minus 2 divided by, we have x plus 2 times x minus 2 divided by this expression, which is, let me expand also, minus 5x plus 10 plus 7 divided by minus of x minus 2. Correct? So that is how we can write it. Now division is same as reciprocal of multiplication. So we'll rewrite this. So we have 3x squared minus 12 minus 2 is minus 14 over x plus 2 times x minus 2. And here we can do multiplication by minus of x minus 2 over minus 5x plus 17. Now here x minus 2 and x minus 2 cancel, giving us, we'll multiply this by negative. So we can write this as negative of 3x squared minus 14 over, so we have two factors in the denominator, so let me write this as x plus 2 times minus 5x plus 17, right? So that is how we can write it. Now we can also do one thing, we can simplify this minus, take care of the minus also, but that's okay. Now here we should also write restrictions. So restrictions here are that x is not equal to plus and minus 2, since that makes it 0 here, and also the numerator, which was this part, right, which is, we simplified here, x cannot be equal to 17 over 5 and not 17 over 5. So these are the two restrictions for us, right? So that is how we can write it in the simplified form. Let me write down the answer here, push the paper a bit here. So what we have here is, we'll use this minus sign to negate the denominator. So we can also write this answer as 3x squared minus 14 divided by x plus 2 times 5x minus 17, right? So we multiply this minus with this factor, where x is not equal to plus minus 2, these restrictions we get from here, and then the restriction from the numerator of the divisor, which comes right there, is that x cannot be 17 over 5. So that is our answer, right? That is how we do it. I hope it's absolutely clear. Thank you and all the best.